Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and I stopped in the Weston Mall before the redevelopment to go into the plant-based and juice PB&J, their new location for the next 4 months. Stay tuned for the next up-and-coming changes that are to come. There was some live entertainment playing. So let's get into this food. I did end up getting the vegan fish with the lavender lemonade. And y'all, after that first bite of that vegan fish, it was absolutely phenomenal. They used banana blossom. They seasoned it oh so well, y'all. You can see I am in heaven right now. I would give this a 10 out of 10. I took a few more bites. As you can see, this thing right here was too good. I had to get myself together, wipe my mouth with a napkin before I drank some of that lavender lemonade. And y'all, it was so refreshing, very light hint of flavor of lavender and lemonade. I give it a 7 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.